Hello guys. So this time we're going to talk in our unit number 1 about basic vocabulary you need to take into account as we discuss about all these algebraic expressions. Alright, so let's begin. What you see here in front of you is an equation, and we recognize an equation because you see the equal sign. But now let's identify each of the parts of it, okay? Let's begin with the one that is circled here. As you can see, it's a number multiplying this letter. This number is called the coefficient. Sometimes coefficients are not visible. An example, I'm going to show you one or two more examples or terms that have a coefficient that is not visible. Like this, we can say this is y, or this is negative m. Alright? In this case, the numbers that are multiplying each of these letters are 1 in this case, so it's 1 times y, and in this case the coefficient is negative 1. Alright? So these are important things to take into account. Now, the combination of a coefficient and a letter is called term. Alright? So this whole thing is called a term. A term can be only a letter, only a number, or a combination of it, right? So when you put them together, like this, we have a combination of coefficient with the letter. The letter has a name, right? So it's more sophisticated or more technical in this case. This is called the variable, okay? A variable, just like y or m or x, y, m, okay? These are variables, all right? It's a symbol for a number. We don't know that number yet. It just represents any number. Now, you can see here these two numbers, 3/2 and 6. When they are on their own and they just represent one single value like negative 3/2 or 6, and since they don't change, just like the variable, we say that they are constants. Okay? So 6 and negative 3/2 are constants in this case. Well, now two more things. As you can see, let's take a look at what is on the left side of this equal sign. We have 1, 2, and 3 terms, as you noticed. Right? This is also a term. As I mentioned, the combination of a coefficient and variable, or just a constant, or just a variable. So these 3 terms make up what we call an expression, an algebraic expression. So I'm just going to do this. This whole thing is called expression. Okay? It's a set of terms. It's a combination of terms. Now, if I have one expression in front of the other and I set them equal to each other, just like this expression equal to this other expression, now we're talking about an equation. Okay? And that's about it. This is all we have to say about this first part of Unit 1. Thank you.